I want to scanner.
It seems like I say the doctor tell me say soap. You click that side and we can't use that side anymore.
Yeah, one side there.
Now we can move the finger anymore.
Yeah. Gotcha. Oh,
You
yes,
hear
sir.
all a different vibe.
Yeah.
Different.
Yeah, beer, I hear beer room. That's why you don't live in the room. You see me? One to say a stroke and one bag of thing.
Yeah, so scanner,
Your
so.
mother alright?
Yeah, man, she alright, man, everything, man.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me, try so hard then want me feel, want me pop the gun, lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Jokey, colors.
Hey, what you going here, man?
We have colors here, man.
Yeah.
Like colors, you see the whole shelf
Yeah, man, stop.
stack out. So if you build some more, you have space up there so you can put some things. Man, place look like it's a shop.
Oh, God.
It's a wholesale shop.
You know, sir, they're on the lay down in a jacuzzi. I hear it, I just call me, man, and say, yo, Juki Kino.
Call you.
Yeah, bro. So, we on the Christmas Kino?
Well, not bad. Hold on one sec.
Yeah, I Kino
You
face.
say you just stay in the jacuzzi.
Yeah, I was kicking back in the jacuzzi watching a Michael Jackson CD, man. Yeah, I hear a Jedi. Knock me up and say, yo, colors, Kino need you out there, man. Yeah.
Jacko.
Oh, gosh, man.
Big artist that, you know.
Oh, hey, Kino, you know what say? I went Saturday night, I was at the airport and I saw the red cap bring out this lady here. But
Yeah.
she have on the mask. I didn't know it was somebody who knew me, man.
Yeah?
Yeah, I'm like, but then I'm over here, the lady said, Juki Jam, get over here, man.
Yeah.
Like she said, you don't remember me? The last time I came in, man, my grandchildren, you go get me some juices. I said, oh my gosh. She gave me $20, man.
Oh, wow.
Wow. And next virgin who know you.
Yeah.
I think it was Friday night. I heard the person say, Colors, get over here. Someone I say, yo, hey, if you ever know they love Kino over there, say, I say, you ain't have to tell me that, man. I know. I know what you tell me.
Somebody a twang like you and say, get over here.
He said the people them over there, they say, they love me vibes, me full of vibes. Yeah, man.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man.
Let me have a pack of pull-ups there for you
Okay.
from the Well-Blessed family.
Why there's?
Well-Blessed.
Oh, the Well-Blessed family.
Yeah,
Oh,
from
my
London.
gosh.
From
From London.
Yeah.
Oh, well, thank you so much, Well-Blessed family. You know, Juki Jam always appreciate what you people send me or give to me.
Yeah.
You get what I'm saying?
All right.
Yeah.
And you also have $5,000 here from Kim
Oh my
from
gosh.
Canada.
Kim.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Kim, thank you very much. And may the Lord bless you. I mean him too, you know, my bless. Always.
Always.
Yeah, even at the airport. When I'm at the airport and passengers get out the flights.
Yeah.
And whenever time I help them ready with their luggages. Oh my gosh. If it's not a 20 bucks,
Yeah.
a 10 bucks. Or even like Jamaicans, 2000s,
Yeah.
or
It's
a thousand.
It's a dollars or bucks.
Oh my
Or
gosh.
pound. Anything.
Well,
Canadian.
yeah, I got pounds too.
What?
Canadians.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, man, my bless.
Colors. Well-Blessed.
Yes, man, because Kino, I don't know if nobody tell you from the other day. You see, my mom died 2016. My always, when we go to the airport and me have some money, me buy up grocery and keep them over Gloria Park till me have a 3 bag of grocery.
Yeah, yeah.
And me go give her and me give her money too. So since she died, a lot of blessings following me, man.
Yeah, yeah.
More than how the chocolates are following me.
That's what it should be.
Yeah, even Mr. Pablo from Toronto. Oh my God, that gentleman is so blessed. And I want to big up the Love Day Station too, man.
Oh, I have to.
I can't forget the Love Day Station.
Big up the Love
And
Day.
after big up the donors.
Yeah.
You get what I'm saying?
Happy New Year.
And I can't forget the hard working Dream Team.
Oh,
Yeah, because they put out a lot of work in it. On the wow.
the wow chef.
Yeah, we can't forget the wow chef. Because a couple nights when I came from the airport, he have food in here for Juki.
Of course.
The wow.
The wow.
Yeah, yeah.
course, you know,
Really
so-
good youth. And he just, hunger was knocking out my face, Skeeter. And I said to the wow, you know I'm hungry. What you got there? He said, I've got fried dumpling and sprat. Yeah, he gave me some of the heat, man. And
Of
I'm
course,
okay
that's
now,
how we
man.
live. That's how we live, you know. One
Yes,
family.
man. For real, man.
That's how we have spread the love, you know.
Yeah,
Unity.
really, man.
And show the love.
Yes.
Yeah.
And everybody said they love what the Dream Team do. Even my friends at the airport, they watch me on YouTube, man.
Yeah, man.
And they were saying to me, yo, Juki, you know, say the Dream Team, they work very hard. I say, of course, they work very hard. Cause even my piece of pig pen, we turn cottage right now. Oh my, they've done a lot of works around there. Oh, yeah.
Whoa.
Oh, they've done a lot of works around there,
Yeah,
man.
man. We love how the wow chef.
Oh my gosh. Seems like he's opening a grocery shop here,
Yeah,
man.
man.
This don't look like no kitchen, man.
No, it's a
It
grocery
looks
shop.
like a grocery shop.
Yeah.
Wow.
But you know, finish that.
Crazy.
Yeah, so wow. Save a bag of Tetley, tea bag. So that is from,
Oh my, so whenever time I want tea, I can come check the wall.
yeah, turn through.
my
See the
gosh.
phone, yeah,
Sorry.
So see that here, big back aisle as well too, and that's from Faith. Yeah. So that's Faith from England. Faith from the UK. Yeah. She said one.
Yeah, man, faith,
Faith
you know,
Evans.
respect, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, kitchen get step up, you know. Man, can find a dump in the morning time.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Pure flour, pure rice.
Yeah,
So everybody can.
Now, come down, my firm, man.
Yeah, so we'll put up some more shelf on the place that is well needed.
Yeah, man, faith, only for respect, yes, I love
And
you.
plus the love beer barrel in reach yet.
Oh my gosh.
And them say, yo, when the love beer barrel they reach, boy,
Wow. It's gonna be crazy
they're
thing.
not stuck yet.
But Kino, you know Barrel is coming from me also.
Of course.
My friend from Miami.
Miami.
Oh my gosh. And I think he's sending me a phone too. So
Yeah.
all of those females
Yeah.
who wanna get my number, don't worry yourself.
Yeah,
I soon get my phone, so all of you girls wanna soon have my number, yeah?
yeah, yeah.
Yeah, and after big up the Lord God Almighty, He's the one who made this possible. And after big up Kino also, because if it wasn't Kino,
Yeah,
the world wouldn't know about us right now.
yeah.
Yeah, so we can't stop big up Kino. Yeah, man, and big up the Dream Team.
Yeah. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Whoa.
Yeah. Yeah, whoa, chef.
Yeah, man.
So still have a goodies for you as well. Marvin!
Hey, Marvin.
Right, sure.
Here, man.
We have I love New York for the wow chef from Unknown.
Unknown.
Yeah.
Whoa. Yes, man.
And here's a spray as well too for you
Yes,
from
man.
Unknown.
Unknown.
From the UK.
Only for respect from the UK, you know. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Beautiful come home, screw up, you know, smell nice, you know.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
man.
So this for Marvin Morgan as well too.
Yeah.
Spray
Unknown.
from Unknown.
Blessed love, you know.
Yeah.
Is it?
And also I add from Unknown from the UK.
Yeah,
Yeah,
no.
man, unknown.
I'm not the unknown.
Push down, let them see, man.
Yeah, man, and then right now we're put
Oh,
on.
I was wondering why it took so long to get it on, man.
They go pull my head because I'm a restaurant.
Yeah, man.
How we have
Yeah.
put it out them say
Unknown.
Unknown from the UK.
Are you okay?
Wow.
Blessed love.
Blessed love, you know. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Blessed.
And we have Painter as well too.
Unknown. Big up yourself, you know, my dad. No love and respect, you know. One team.
Dream Team. And you also have a spray as well too.
Yeah, big up, you know, my general.
From Unknown. From the UK. Jella.
Yeah. Oh, man.
I've named them there as well too. So you have Jella.
Yeah.
Spray and a hat as well too from Unknown.
Unknown, big up yourself, you know. Enough respect, you see me? Straight. Don't stop.
You know stop doing that though, because we not stop doing that though.
Yeah,
Pick
straight
up
man.
yourself straight.
Yeah, man, unknown man, straight, that's like that, you know?
Yeah.
Team.
So we have Lem Diamond. 8 man. We have Lem Diamond.
Yeah.
We have a hat and a spray from Unknown from England.
Big up in the unknown general. Manners and thanks, you know?
Yeah.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, you know? Big up all I do on them, you know?
Yeah.
You have to give thanks to life and strength.
Yeah.
That's unknown.
Yes, Unknown. Big up yourself.
Yes, sir.
Holy for love.
Holy for love, you don't know where you have to feel it.
See it there.
Hey, man.
Whoa.
Get it cap.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Spray me that touch up too.
Yeah.
Sweet, you know. Yeah, you know, sweet.
Long time.
Oh, you pop it off already?
Man.
Oh.
Yeah, man. I'm not looking to man. Hey, man.
Hey, man.
Kina, one love in a brother. Tweet and Felicia, Mikey. Hey, man, Happy New Year. You hear that? All I do on them. Job in Chive, man. Yeah, hey, man. Thanks, my brother Kina.
Spray that kick.
I'm thinking, man, spray me again.
Kick.
Bust up, my brother.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Love that, and unknown. Yeah,
Unknown.
man. Big up the place, man.
So big up for the groceries them.
Yeah, man, and big
Yeah, the donors them. Azzy, big up yourself.
Full for respect, Azzy.
Big up Britel.
Retail.
You know, so big up all the donors them. Always. And big up Azzy. As you say, Azzy, big up yourself. Big up Britel.
Azzy, big up.
You know,
Retail.
and well-blessed family as well.
Well blessed family, you know. Holy for love.
London.
London, you know. You see me?
Well-blessed family, as I said.
Well-blessed family.
We know all upon count after stuck in our barracks.
Yeah, man. So,
And we have many more to come.
we have more of a pack out look a bit from now, so you see?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Place look like it's a wholesale Marvin.
Yeah, like,
Yeah, man.
you know, we can spice anything.
So much more I cook off now.
You know, we have
Too much to cook.
easy.
Yeah.
So you have butter bean, you
You
have
have beer, you have mackerel.
vegetable, you have
Mackerel,
whatever man, sweet bean, you know, you have
You have
anything
flour, you have everything, you have corn
cook something
meal,
easy.
quick and fast.
You don't cook nothing where we can.
Aye, everything you have ground food,
Yeah.
you have coal, you have gas.
Yes, man.
You have
Everything.
everything now, man.
Them say may your food basket never go empty.
Yeah.
The same thing, big up to the donors them. May your food basket never go
No, I
empty.
give one more than I drop me.
Oh, the brother.
Where me?
One team,
Where me be?
No, Joe.
Sexy
6B. 1B. Where me be?
One B.
You know it go.
You know the thing.
1B.
Yeah.
No, Joe.
So we have a spray for you.
Like this.
From Unknown. And we also have a hat for you from Unknown.
Thank you very much, unknown. Give thanks, blessing, protect you. Yeah, love and thanks.
Love and thanks. Unknown. Blessings and give thanks. The thing go. I mean, baby. I asked for the oil. The oil cologne.
That's all fine, man.
So one for you and one for liquor. So you know them things are well exclusive, you know, baby. You always smell it for me.
Yeah,
And yeah, say you will see it there. So that is from Unknown,
unknown.
from the UK.
Alright, unknown from the UK. Just bring up yourself and thanks to the cologne.
Smell it a kick, man. You don't try it.
You don't have to go smell it if you like it. You know me, I like it.
It's a kick. So you see that now? At the eye, you know, you have to know how you use it.
Cool, look at that and I eat that.
And I eat that.
Yeah.
You see me? Blow the whole place.
Biscuits.
Bless up in number G.
Yeah, don't you want to bless up yourself unknown and thanks and enough respect.
I do that kick, man. That's style for me, man. That's a style for me.
Feed me, feed me, feed me.
Feel that feel.
Yeah,
Alright.
but I put mama earth there.
Come, Cox, man.
Man,
Cox, man. This is from Unknown,
unknown.
from the UK.
Say no, say enough respect and enough honor in the unknown.
Yeah.
Dream team there put in the good work. Big up yourself.
One
Big up the
team.
donors them. One team.
Dream team.
Dream team.
So I'm just come from work. When Cox, man, I test him spray.
Yeah.
Hero.
The spray.
Test him spray.
Blessing all the time.
Listen,
You want to test it for me, sir?
Test your spray. You're a spray. Top. Alright.
Don't forget in the unknown. Straight.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, it's a click.
Click.
Straight.
Alright, so you have Ali.
Yeah.
Ali from Unknowns from the UK.
Unknown. The UK. Yeah, man, give thanks, you know. Art of love, you know. You see it, show. Art of love, you see me, I say. I'm holy for love, man. Boy, may I tell you. Clean, you know. So you have to clean and out. Big up all of the donor, them and do the thing, you know. Art of love, you know.
Art of love.
Straight.
So
you know, good work.
Yeah. Hero.
Yeah.
From Unknown.
Unknown.
From the UK.
Big up yourself, Unknown, yeah? All the time. More blessing and more love.
Unknown. Fling on your heart and see if it works right.
Straight away.
Yeah.
Right fit?
Right fit.
Yeah,
fit. Liquor. And this is the thing with them called aisle. You know if you always smell it for me. So that's yeah, so that's the aisle from the UK.
UK, many blessings from Unknown. Take care of yourself.
Yeah. Go a little bit, yeah. Get too close to the camera, so keep the distance. I'm saying social distance.
Yeah.
Alright, so here we have a donation from Miss Inez from the USA. $5,000 from Miss Inez.
Miss Inez?
Yeah.
Thank you, yeah? More blessing and more love, Miss Inez. Really appreciate it.
Yeah. And you also have a donation from Candy from New Jersey. $4,000 from Candy.
Candy from New Jersey. Thank you, Candy. More blessing and more love. You hear that? Really do appreciate it. Thank you.
Alright. Give thanks, Candy.
Give thanks.
Blessings, Miss Inez. And Painter. I have a donation for you from Patrick from Canada. $5,000 from Patrick from Canada.
Patrick from Canada. Thanks, you know, madam. Enough respect and love. Yeah.
Whoa, chef.
Whoa. Sorry, the light.
Fix what I like there. A donation for you. What, look a bit there. Yeah. From Miss Inez. Yeah, from the US. $5,000.
Inez from the US. Got the respect, you know, from the US, yeah.
Yeah.
New York, what's from my hat?
New York.
Twice. It's my hat twice, so I should have put this on it, you know. It's Inez, only for respect, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, man, Mr. Inez, man. Yeah, man. Like €5, them, you know? Yeah, man, you have 4 American, you have 1 out there, you know? You see me? €5, them, Mr.
Big up Miss Inez.
Yeah, man, Mr. Inez, man.
One love.
Yeah, man.
Liquor.
Look up.
Right there. We have $2,000 from Candy from New Jersey. Candy from New Jersey.
Thank you, Candy from New Jersey. Many blessings, many love. I hope you live this happy New Year, your family, and all of the donors them.
Yeah. And we also have Ali.
Yeah.
We have $5,000 for Ali from Miss Inez.
Miss Inez.
From the US.
Love Miss Inez, you know. Miss Inez, big up yourself, you know, said speed. May the Lord bless you and keep you again, you know. May the Lord make his face shine upon you and be gracious unto you. Big up all of the donors, and do the thing. And I do the man, so love it, I appreciate it, see? When Father God bless Kina, all endeavor. See me, I say, the step of him way. And it doesn't stop us as one, I say, I'm a very emotional man, I feel overwhelmed right now. For the donors, and I do the things for you. The team, love one also. So, continue to do the good work, and we out here do the good work also. So, bless up on yourself and keep the pandemic. Just keep it tight, because we out here keep it real. So, I say, big up on yourself again.
Alright. So, let's just shine. Yeah, so whenever they are the other day, sometimes the team get them donation and Christmas bonanza. Christmas bonus for the hard work everyone been doing. Yeah, so they have a donation from Tutu, Barn and Grow 2nd Street, living in New York, $3,000 counted.
Tutu from New York. More like a more of the I would like to keep guy and protect you, bless your family. Yes, I
do. So another donation from the Overcomers from the US, $4,000 from the Overcomers.
Alright, Overcomers, give thanks, respect, give thanks, give a lot. Thanks, respect. Big
last time. Alright. And you have also Joseph from Stratham, UK. $5,000 from Joseph, Stratham, UK.
Joseph from Stratham, UK. Enough love, man. I mean, your food basket never empty. God continue to bless you, your family, your loved ones. Respect, man. And follow.
And you have also from the Quiet from the US. $10,000 from the Quiet from the US.
Alright, the Quiet from the US. Give thanks, man. Much love. Family, man. May the good Lord bless and keep you, protect you, guide you. Give thanks, man. Enough love.
Alright. And you also have a spray from Unknown from the UK.
Alright, Unknown from the UK. Alright, one word. Class. Give thanks. I don't know where world class. Where I do world class. All over the world. Give thanks. May God continue to keep and guide you and protect and bless you. Alright, friends and family. Merry Christmas and power. Give thanks. Respect.
I'm sat outside and get licked in.
Never have gloves. Oh,
Let's never feel pain, man, Chairman. I'm outside, I'm licked. Yeah, that's
Take your time. Fix him clothes, sir.
The pilot project was financed by the Rico Social Investment Poverty Reduction Program from $3 million grant.
All type of argument.
The Child Protection and Family Services Agency CPFSA tablet computers to support online learning of children in state care. The devices were donated by the United States Agency.
I want to scanner.
It seems like a doctor told me to soap. You click that side and we can't use that side I know German.
Yeah, one side there.
Now we can move the finger and
yeah. Gotcha. Oh
yes,
yes,
hear all a different vibe. Different.
Yeah, dear room. That's why you don't live on the room. You see me? One to say a stroke. And one bag of thing.
Yeah, so Scanner, so...
Your mother alright?
Yeah man, she alright man, everything man.
Things good, your mother good.
Yeah, man, she's good man. You remember me?
Yeah man.
So here man, yeah.
You go big man.
You go big dog. So a year ago on Star, but this boy is really touching. So from when...
You have to compete. Already I'm coming about some 4 days ago.
4 days ago? So what
2 months and breeze me in the hospital like that.
2 months and breeze?
It might be less than that, but a month and breeze.
2 months ago man. Time flying.
So what am I say, what's the problem?
Different strokes.
The strokes? So you meant to go back to the doctor?
I'll take a little time. I'm a bit sore, yeah. I'll go back to the hospital, but just up. It'll take a time.
So you have a bed sore? So who look after you? You have somebody who look after you?
Keep them in the yard.
Keep them in the yard?
Like,
the class, some more people are puncher.
She?
Puncher wife.
Come in.
One way I'll come in at time.
How you can come in, man?
come in.
Come video, so this again.
So
Someone she take care of me.
So she take care of you. What's your name, my friend?
Liquor.
Oh, you have a name like auntie. Never froze.
Draw the stick and go on the side.
Yeah, some girl saw me like.
Go over, sir. Look, go over, sir.
Yeah.
You're good, man.
Liquor. Really blessings and give thanks for you do feel, yeah? Naturally, your blessings are going more. Because you just go buy an apple and see. Yeah. So who help support you to support him?
Yeah?
Is there anybody who help support you?
Rusty.
That's
a gangster.
Gangster in England? Yeah.
So lately, him know about it, and never know about Mexico.
Okay. Yeah, so...
Underpants are tight,
tight? Them say no one
now to be placed with this.
Them say no one can listen.
Yeah, now after one work, we can...
Alright, the old one.
Looker. That's what I'm going.
Hold on.
So, you have the old one, yeah?
We can draw.
Yes, simple.
So Liquor, so you go doctor as well to find out?
With him?
Yeah.
No, you know, I never know him name. But you come around a long time, I don't see if I'm using pipe on the front, and I say, oh, I don't see scanner come on the pipe, and I'm going to come on morning time.
Yeah.
So I don't see some, normally some pass ground pan back use the toilet, I see the door lock, but I still lock pan it. So I say, scanner, he ma answer me in a little bit like a man low na voice. So I say, what me tell you? If say I'm sick. Say sick, you look up yourself and I don't see nothing, nobody say sick. So I kind of brace the door to the pool. I'm going to pull the door. If one body underneath the bed and him egg the hole. Just take him out, carry him off and call the police. And I pay my doctor. And then they send them to come on, come in and go in there. I don't see no paper in here for saying name.
No paperwork.
Yeah, for same name there.
Yeah, so no paperwork, they not bring you back with the scanner?
They give one prescription like a for refill.
For refill?
Yeah, when the medication is done.
After then they go there, so?
Yeah, then they have the medication. So when they finish, they like my paper now for refill it up.
Yeah.
I can't know the sim come on with them. I want some for them.
That's it, and that's it, and then they send him back out.
Time that a good while, look at a long time we get this job, but you know, nobody now come from the ambulance, carry him, I know which by him live. And nurse say, I say, one guy in yard.
But it's not healthy and fit for them send him back out.
So them do hospital and if you can go around, you can put your home alone.
If you can't pay them?
No, if you can't help yourself.
Help yourself, look big and talk, them and send you home. You don't keep it alone.
Because he can't help himself.
No, him same, him back like him have strokes, he can't stomach and be like him line up and him come.
That again, bed sore in a journey.
I know it again, bed
Man, that's some good fun for dress. But the care man in here is cleaning.
I have a bed sore before we come though.
No man, the bed sore underneath the bed, like the sore in the fire fire line up on the ground. I dress them dressing and ask
With that sweat stuff.
Yeah, so you line up on one side, the other side is sore off.
So Joey man, watch what you are doing. You have to start packing. You have to see clean from here. You see me, so you have to try. Yeah, you have to try help. She help you, but you have to try. You see me?
And now look, give me a guy himself. Come put him up his tongue, bad pan. See now they come like a make her in the master like a gang big man and rasta mother. So they must have get one wheelchair for him.
Yeah, kind of need a
Yeah, she came on a culture at that time.
Yeah.
I didn't think they'll make him sick. He must stay there and let, you know, because he lied on one place.
Yeah.
And then there's something he used to. So they send him a come for him at daytime, cry him on a culture and do the medication then. Give him them at the night time and carry him out.
Filter. We have 2 pack of pull-ups for him. We have 2 pack of pull-ups for him from, this is from the Well-Blessed family.
When they come around, they still about to make the youth in a wheelchair.
Yeah.
And put them cut off.
Yeah,
they give them just come out in a one and shit it up.
Yeah.
I'm beg them one and then give them 1 key.
Yeah, so you have...
So about 4 left.
4 left.
Gin.
Yeah, ginger.
Yeah. So you have 2 pack from the Well-Blessed family from London.
Thanks, yeah.
So you can tell the Well-Blessed family thanks. Yeah, so you see what kind of support you can really get for him. Because you really have a need. Yeah, I saw how man. I saw the place too, man. You know?
When I fall him still out, he will beg me.
The condition really poor where you're in. You see me? I'm not lying. I'm going to give you a little change as well because you look after him though.
Yeah.
So I'm going to give you a little change as well too. Yeah? Kind of say you can buy where you can buy. $2,000 a so.
Thank you very much.
See what you can do there because it's really sad for no one right now, isn't it? Because the condition is really poor. You know, like, you know, it's really touch.
The next one, mother. Mother.
No, mother in there. Mother there.
What's going on with the face skin?
Very father.
Very father the other day. Jaja. But nobody not bury you, you're still alive right now, you see me?
That little baby.
I'm going to tell you, because I can't. You must say, well, I never leave him for dead. I can't do that scan, I'm leave him for dead, I'm still alive for him.
Can't do that scan.
I should leave him for dead.
You see me? When I'm dead, they can't dash it to anything, they can't leave you. Some more of us, yeah man, some more hold the faith, isn't it? And work. Don't worry. You understand? So just help yourself. You have to stay positive. You're a scanner, just stay positive, stay in.
Yeah man,
just hold the faith man and prayers, yeah?
Yeah.
We give thanks to the Almighty because He's going to make things possible for you. Yeah? So faith, yeah, not to worry, because faith move mountain, you know?
Yeah.
Once you have faith, she alright man, you know? She alright. And I got acknowledge her about the situation with you as well too. And as I say,
I find the thing on no money run out. Keep the next kid fix me out. I'm on top of concrete structure on the top.
Yeah man, I see it man, because yeah, that's what we can do because you know we have a couple of work to deal with as well too.
More so, life and more love.
Yeah, so we're trying to focus on the health wise. You know, so we get you up to standard, yeah? Because sister, right now you need the help with the health right now.
Really weak.
Yeah, because you're weak though. Yeah, we can see it. So we need to get you back up.
Yeah, man.
So we're trying our best so any possible way we can support you.
Yeah.
We're going to do so, yeah? So, but never give up. Always want the faith, see me. And believe in the Almighty. Yeah? So something will happen to you. Give thanks, yeah. Liquor?
Yeah.
Continue the good work, see me, yeah?
Yeah, man.
It will play off. It's gonna go be alright. Yeah? As I say, dream team.
Friend in need, you know?
Friend in need. You see me? And you're a friend in need. Big up yourself, yeah?
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kyria Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we'll make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better day.